In the previous video, we already learned about what is IP address and what is the function of an IP address. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. As I mentioned in the previous video, Cisco Packet Tracer is a network simulation tool that help us to learn about computer network without have a real devices. Okay, let's start. To download Cisco Packet Tracer, we need to create a NetAccount account first. Just go to Google and type NetAccount Packet Tracer like this. Here we can see Introduction to Packet Tracer. Click here. Actually, this is a free course about Introduction to Packet Tracer from Cisco NetAccount. And we need to enroll at least one course from Cisco NetAccount to download Cisco Packet Tracer. So, let's just sign up here. Here we need to fill our first name, last name, and an email address. Let's just fill it. Here we can choose, do we want to receive an update from Cisco or no? I choose no here. Then here we need to verify that we are 13 years old or more. And if we are in the Europe, we need to verify that we are 16 years old or more. Let's just mark this. We also need to solve a CAPTCHA here to verify that we are not a robot. Here, 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay, now let's submit this form. After submitting the form, we will need to fill another form. I am in Indonesia right now. The company itself. And we need to type our password and confirm password here. We also need to solve another CAPTCHA here, but I don't sure what is this. So let's refresh the CAPTCHA. And okay, this is much easier. Here we have 9, 6, 5, 4, 8, 2. Okay, what do you like to update about Cisco promotions, product, and services? Here I choose no because I don't want to receive any promotions from Cisco. And finally register. And wait for a second here. Okay, we have done now. Let's log in using an email and password that we use when sign up. And then we need to verify our email. The Cisco already sent a verification code to our email. So let's just check it. Here I check on my inbox and refresh it. But I still haven't received the email. Let's refresh one more time. Okay, I still don't receive the email yet. If you receive the email, you can just verify the email. But if you don't, we can skip the verification for now. Here we can choose skip. After login, we need one more form to fill. Choose the gender. I live in Indonesia, and the state is Jakarta. My experience in networking is 3 to 5 years. I don't have any disability, and this is my birthday. Now let's create an account. Okay, we have done. Just close this. To download Cisco Packet Tracer, we can go to Resources and then download Packet Tracer. Here in the download section, we can download based on our operating system. In this case, I use Mac, so I will download for Mac OS. If you use Windows, download the Windows version. Or if you use Linux, just download the Linux version. I will speed up the video until the download is finished. Okay, the download is finished. Now I will show you how to install Cisco Packet Tracer on Mac. If you use Windows, the installation process will be much easier. You just need to open the installer and choose next, next, next until finish. Okay, now let's see how we can install Cisco Packet Tracer on Mac. Let's go to the Finder and double-click in the installer. Continue. Accept. Continue. Let's wait for a second. Okay, we need to type our laptop password here. And okay, we have done the installation of Cisco Packet Tracer. Just close this. Now let's open the Packet Tracer. Here we can see that we have Packet Tracer version 7.3. Let's open this. We need to log in. We can use an email and password that we use when sign up to NetAccount. Okay, we need to verify our email address here. But because my email is not verified yet, I will skip this for now. But I suggest you to verify your email if you already received the email from Cisco NetAccount. Okay, now we have successfully downloaded and installed Cisco Packet Tracer. In the next video, we are going to practice the most simple computer network in Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.